Okay.
Oh, but it looks like concrete inside. Yeah. Yeah, I like the design. This is it, guys. We're approaching the community, and this is what it looks like from the outside. This is the sign.
Oceanpointe.
Pool, gym, playhouse, tennis court.
Oh, yeah, we're reading that, sorry. Yeah, only for amenities over here, people. Yeah. A lot of amenities. Only for amenities, people, I swear. So we're gonna get you first an impression. Alright, see, just a crowd, we can just kind of park up before we go in. Yeah guys, Oceanpointe, Hanover. Just before you arrive in Lucy. There's a nice view right in front of the development. Right. Waterfront setting, guys. And of course, probably down there. And of course,
and Dolphin Cove is just up there.
Yeah, there's a Dolphin Cove just probably 2 minutes away. And then Grand Palladium on the other side, that way. Yeah, so there are a lot of beaches around here, and of course
on the coast, yeah.
Right along the coastline. Right along the coastline. It's nice. Right. Construction ongoing. Yep. And the gateway wide. It looks good. Even the shrubbery up here will come closer still. Guys, we like the landscaping at the front here. I like it. You know, so we're gonna seek access.
So units are actually down that side. This is right here, appears to be the country club or the clubhouse. So as you approach the gate, you'll see the clubhouse directly after facing you at the gate. And we're in the parking lot of the clubhouse.
Yeah guys, this is it.
Hello. You are the only gentleman down here?
Wow. Our boat, yeah, boat.
I will be doing that video as well. Sure. So this is a typical space that we'll get outside.
Oh.
Oh, but it looks like concrete inside.
You remember over
like,
King's Landing?
Yeah. Yeah, I like the design. Yeah.
Alright, so you have your bedrooms and your bathrooms in that direction.
Okay.
It's a similar open concept, and look down there. Actually, they have the
Okay.
This is a queen or a king here?
I think it's a queen.
It's a queen?
They're both queens in here.
Okay, in both rooms.
It's really good. So the fixtures the fixtures is what you get. These fixtures.
What fixtures?
The lighting and the fan.
The fan, no. The lighting, no. Those are just decor.
Okay. Oh, this is what
Right,
comes.
that's what you get.
Okay.
Regular.
Yes.
You can get the fans extra,
Yeah.
$85,000 extra.
Okay, you can the fan can be added to.
Right, you can
Okay.
add your own fan or you can add it when you purchase it, yes.
Okay. Alright. Guys, so the closet. Alright. Bathroom nice though. Like the fixtures and the cupboard.
I like the stepping. You got step down hooked up in here. Now, there's no
Okay.
lights, there's no water, there's no nothing.
Okay,
It's a model house.
okay. You know, that model units normally have, but yeah, your choice basically, developer's choice, yeah.
Right.
It looks good and the enclosure is nice and the fixtures too.
Yeah, the bathrooms are in the standard bathroom in all of the houses.
Good.
Also have your extra closet space there.
Yeah, it's
Sorry.
pockets. I like the space. I like the storage.
Right, and there's
you.
two more off the top.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Reach it.
Yeah.
You
Yes.
know, the storage is always a problem when it's accumulating.
So this is 2 bed, 2 bath. Okay.
Yeah, so this is another room. Oh, and this is just like the other one.
Yeah.
It's like the other.
Kind of identical.
Yeah.
A queen bed and
I like the lighting, and I like how much light it lets into each room.
Windows.
Yeah.
but blinds, the blinds are open.
Windows. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I like how much light I take care of you.
You have your kitchen space.
Okay. There's a closed concept kitchen.
Yes. You have your genuine granite countertops.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
you have a lot of cupboard and
Yes.
Yeah, I
Yes.
like the storage as well.
I like the theme, the color scheme.
Right.
It's different and you know it's nice.
You don't have a pipe outside the fridge.
Pipe.
Yes, like I saw.
I'm not sure about
pipe extending out.
Oh. I'm not sure how that would work. You'd probably have to get somebody to board a wall or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the wash area.
I feel like the washroom.
Decent size.
Yeah, to put cover and stuff.
Sorry.
We wanted to ask about the space outside. So all the homes actually come already enclosed, fencing outside.
The
that
fencing
is.
is the a part of the look and can't be changed.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
And is there a standard space for outside, or are there options to get a bigger lot space?
There are very few with any bigger.
Oh, so
Very
this is a
few.
typical.
I mean,
Okay.
but you can ask.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but there's not like a whole heap of options of extra space.
Okay.
But there is not. It's not impossible.
So they come landscape with grass, or this is just for the model unit
When you get the house, you are given basic landscaping like this.
with grass?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Put in sprig and water it and it waters and it grows.
Okay.
But it's not that bad. I said I was
Yeah.
at first it looks small around here, but it's not that too much.
That is called corner landscaping.
Okay. Yeah. And this is a 2 bed, 1 bath. The previous one is a 2 bed, 2 bath.
That's a standard. No, for every house. If you want one like that, it's extra for 135,000.
Okay.
So all the houses actually come with just a standard one.
Oh, so this one at the back is small, is shorter on this side. Okay, that's how the bathroom work out. Yeah.
If you want a bathroom, so you have a little extra. There.
What about the room space, the room sizes? Would it be different?
We'll have to give you the brochure for you to see the sizes.
Okay.
I don't have a brochure, but they're not that different.
Okay.
With the room size.
This looks like a king right here.
Yeah, this is
That
a
looks
king.
like a king bed,
Yeah.
I believe it is.
Look nice, you know, you can space around the bed, accommodating a king bed. Yeah.
The other one was more a long way that way.
Yeah.
And this one was
True.
So sometimes it's how you set. You set up the decor.
True. Oh, this is the typical kitchen.
Right.
The same.
Yeah. And the only difference is the bathroom there.
Yeah, this unit's shorter on this side. That's the difference. And here's same as the 2-bed, 2-bath.
Okay. Yeah.
Where are they? Are they ready yet?
They're not ready yet. None of those are ready for viewing or anything.
Okay.
Comes with a gym, it comes with a pool, comes with a tennis court, a basketball court, well, a multi-purpose court. They can play anything on.
How much?
8,000 monthly.
For the maintenance fee?
Yes.
Oh, that's already worked out. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Not bad. Considering that you get pool and gym. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. And staff.
Yes, of course.
And staff.
And do they like maintain the sweep the streets and the sidewalk?
Right. But not your personal property.
Yeah, no.
The streets.
But the common areas, the sidewalk, the streets.
Those will be covered.
Yeah. All of those will be. That's what the maintenance fee does. A part of what it does.
Okay.
Yes, that is awesome.
All right. Thank you.
Can you also tell me like how big is it? Is it gonna be in phases?
It's gonna be 10 phases, 432 units.
So you have
432 units. Oh, not many.
No,
Okay.
it's not gonna be that huge.
Okay.
Because when you said 10, I was like, okay, but you have one gym, one pool.
Yeah, but the phases have like 20 houses.
Right.
Okay.
Exactly.
That's
Yeah.
more than 30.
Very small.
Yeah,
Yes.
so it's like a cozy 10.
Yes.
And I actually like that concept.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's not gonna be a
So
huge
houses
one.
will be that way.
Yes, houses will be over there.
Okay.
I actually like that. So when you have a smaller group, it gives you a better.
Right. If
A
it's
more
big and
cozy
spread out,
feel, like you said.
one nothing could work.
Yeah. And then you have people speeding, and then you have all kind of
so
stuff.
it's kind of a coziness.
Yes.
You don't have to worry about that.
We like it.
Like that is gonna be a court right there that they cut out. So it's not like they finish everything.
Yes.
Yes. But we can
But
see
they're
the
on their
concept
way,
coming.
right?
There seems to already have been a structure put in place even for the maintenance, which is different for other places, other gated communities where the citizens are supposed to have to come in and then
make the plans.
And then
No
that
man,
is
the
a
plan
bit
is
different.
there.
Good.
The plan is there.
Because even
They
the
already know what
related
they want to do.
the regulation for the fencing, you already preset that.
Right,
So that
yeah man.
yeah, that's good.
So that so you don't have it gateway.
Yeah.
Everybody can
Do them own thing.
That's
True.
right. And then everything does fall out of shape after a while.
Exactly.
And then the place
I know
looks
you're gonna have those unruly people, so we're gonna have a property manager and team and everything to kind of keep it
Yes.
on the manners.
Alright, so on this building will be the property office, the gym, the clubhouse. Yeah man, and the property manager will be here as well. This is the pool for the development. It's only, they say 400 and odd houses. So it's a small, intimate community that they are building. You know, it's a really nice place. Yeah. I don't have any qualms at all with this place. It's really nice. The decor, you know, everything looks good. It's really nice. So, which other developments have your company done before?
No, I'm not with the developers. I'm really with a real estate company.
Oh, okay.
They have done high-end stuff. They have done Tara. And they have done like the lagoons at Freeport.
Okay. Yeah guys, so you could actually check the description for details as it relates to the different units that they have and the pricing. We'll be adding the developer's website as well in the description, so you can definitely check that out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button and share with a friend that you know might be interested. Alright guys, thank you. Bye.